Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Yeah, man, I burger man, this man. Morning. See? Let me tell you something about Jamaica. Anything you want, see it? I in the streets today, you know. See all the wholesale them there, but at the street, this, you know, you can't see none of the road. You see it? You can't see none of the road. Everything on the road is black off. See it? Yeah, so nice. See it there? You get all your good breakfast in the day at Jamaica. See it there? See it there? How in I pot? See it there? What you mean? See it there? Good things them. I'm going to tell you. Hold on, I'll show you some more town. Down a town. See it here? At the road where I walk pan, you know. This is a road where I can drive. Pan! I walk where I walk, man. I tell you, so down a town. Yes, so nice. See it there? You better get something for Christmas. Let me tell you. See it here? Who want them ears and them nails do? Town you have to come do it. See it there? Right in the streets. Come down the ear, come down the nail. Down a town. No matter the size, no matter the color, come down the ear, down the nail. Miss Diva, touch out your finger them. I'm going to tell them, hold them. See ya, down a town. You understand? See? In the street, cock up all your foot. I'm going to tell you, see it there? We're going to look out for you. If you hear turban, we're going to fix it. Down a town. See it there? We can't tell you not blonde. We can't, hey, any style you want. Down a town. See it there? Yeah. See it there? Down a town. We're going to fix you. Fix all your eyelash. In the streets. May I come? Yeah. I hit this. Down a town. I'm me. We are fixing up down a town. The place this. Yeah. When you're too heavy, we have the hand cart them to carry the load for you. See it? Yeah, everything that town. See there? Mobile, you know. Mobile market. Nicest place in Jamaica named down at town. I'm going to tell you, you just relax when you're tired. Yeah? Down at town with it. And don't worry about the security. We have police a patrol. Although they can't get for pass. They have to take them time. Come through, officer. Come through. Yeah. Can't get for pass. See me a video police a video me there. A video for video, see it there? Him a video me a video. A baby make you can't lock me up, see there? Police a video me a video, see there? Big up yourself, officer. A video for video today. Yeah, a video for video. Yeah. I don't got town with the people. See it? I'm going to tell you, we so come.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla, and the video you just looked at a while ago is a video that shows you what it looks like in downtown Kingston days before the Christmas, holiday itself. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. People go there for do them shopping and all these things. You can't get everything for buy. I mean, road full. Vehicle can even drive through the main road itself, viewers and subscribers. For those who know what I'm talking about when it comes down to shopping before the Christmas holiday itself, when it comes down to shopping down in Kingston, downtown Kingston, those who know say that the road full. I mean, all car draw across the road with all clothes hang out for sale. You see me? You get a hair done, you get any pants you want, jeans, this, that, and then at the same time the taste this party there, so the KFC there is downtown Kingston. Full. You can't just drive no car through this place. That's so downtown Kingston run, road black off. You see what I said to you? Yeah man, for those who know the experience, you have a time when sometimes things happen cause, for things kinda light, where the whole, But I'm telling you, when things nice at Jamaica, road full, man. Full. You see me? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, you see Jamaica nice, Jamaica nice, me I tell you, Jamaica nice. And just the whole crime and violence are the problem. Yes, we need the money to, we're not gonna lie, the money is needed. But the crime and violence, too much. You understand? That's the only thing, You see? Yeah, you go downtown to buy things, you walk and shop. Especially when you go with your mother, when you're like a youth. You see me, I say you walk till all your foot burn you. Cause some of the time you walk past the same place 5 times and search for something. That is what you call shopping. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, me just bring this to you so that you can have a look at the whole shopping experience, what it look like down in downtown Kingston. You see me? Especially when it coming on to the holidays. You know, this one is days before the Christmas holiday itself. You see what I'm saying to you? And bring it to you so that you can have a look at it. You know, you can tell me what you think about what you see. You see me? And I'm going to leave it right here with you. You see what I'm saying to you? And I want to say a Merry Christmas for each and everyone out there, and a Happy New Year when it comes. Now, I want to say big up to the man that is known as Burger Man. You see it? Big him up. You see it? I'm trying to show you know how things look like and all these things. So big up yourself, Burger Man. Alright? And this is where I leave it. You know, me Dancehall Skilla, I love to show my respect and I love to keep my viewers and subscribers up to date and posted, make them know what I want. Alright? Yeah. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?